So we are looking at Technical Drawing NECO 2026 or the objective parts. Let's answer the first 50 questions and see what we have here. So let's go to question 1. Question 1 says the part labeled D is what? What we have here is a triangle. So I not a right angle triangle and two right angle triangles. So the height part D is the altitude of the triangle. So number 1 is A. Let's look at question 2. It said the part labeled X is a sector. We have a sector called in a circle circumference diameter, but here we have a sector, which is option D. Let's go to question 3. Question 3 said the figure below is a link mechanism. The part labeled J is what? If you look at J, it's going back and forth, so it is slide. It's a slide, which is E. Then question 4. So the figure below is a line labeled T. T is what? C is we have a dimension like this. Here is X, so this part on this line is called, but that's what they're asking, is called a leader, which is D. Then question 5. Question 5 said, which of the following in the figure should represented in the roof? Which part of the drawing in the figure below represents curves in the roofs? Is point curves in the roof. That is point M, which is A. Then let's look at question 6. So the part labeled G, you can see this is a window. So here must be a wall, but G is a wall, which is D. Question 7 said identify the two sketch in the figure below. Is outside scriber. This is an outside scriber, which is C. Go to question 8. Question 8. Question 8. So the figure below represents a symbol of what? This is glass. We have for wood, we have for concrete, and we have for ceramics and the rest. Then question 9. The electrical symbol below is a fuse, which is C. Question 10. This is a plumbing symbol. We have the water tub, floor drain, no. Kitchen sink, no. Shower head, no. A water closet, yes. E. Let's look at 11. Say the height of I can't see that part correctly. Opening. The height of most building, whether it's happen to be door, it's always 1, 2. So let's go with B. So which of the following two is edit command in AutoCAD? Is the edit command found? Is the extension, the hatch, line, region, table? Region, no. Line, no. Is the hatch A. Then which of the following instrument used to draw vertical lines in conjunction with the T square is our sec square, 13D. Which of the following projections associated with the vanishing points? That is perspective drawing. We have single and double vanishing points. That is E. Let's look at 15. So the figure below, without being told, this is an isometric drawing. B. Which of the following software is knife found? You can find knife in AutoCAD. B. We help to trim. We help for trimming. Which of the following toolbar is fine, is modify. To trimming, you are trying to modify the drawing to achieve the actual shape. 18 So which reference statement describe the main purpose of a title block? It displays for main drawing known, information on the number of instruments used known, information on the quality for instrument used known, information type known, information on personal and technical information, which is E. Number 19, which of the following is a safe working habit? A safe working habit observed in drawing studio: cutting papers with razor on no. Outlining the joint pair of a compass, no. Using the brush to wipe off erase particle, using a pair of divider as a punch, no. Using a T-squared as no. The answer is C. By doing this, you are going to achieve a neat drawing. It will give you a neat drawing. A thin line is used for outline, no, as a continuous line, which is A. Number 21. So which of the following is true about rhombus? Is true about rhombus. All the sides are equal, which is true. All the sides are equal in the rhombus. Then 22. It said the external angle of a hexagon is what? We know that one exterior angle is 360 divided by 6. So when 360 over n, when n is the number of sides, hexagon is 6 sides, that will give us 60 degrees, which is C. 22 is C. So let's go to 23. 23. You say in the figure B, the locus B form this is center is epicycloid C. It said the true length of a line is shown if the line is parallel. Yes, yeah, parallel. That's where you get the true line, which is B. Then 25. So which of the following projections reveal the true shape of the line labeled K as shown? Labeled K as shown. True shape of the line labeled K as shown. It should be isometric. That's where you can get the true shape of the line labeled is isometric. Which of the following methods is used for developing a rectangular prism? Is parallel line. We have a cylinder is also parallel, cone is radial, and the pyramid is also radial. So this one is parallel lines. C. B, I mean 26 is B. 27, we have oblique. This is isometric. This is isometric. Then 27 is B, is oblique. 28. Which of the following represent the end view? The end view of this is the top. This will be the front. The end view should be from here. It's going to give us this, which is C. 29. So the figure, identify the correct plan. We are looking from top. Consider the M as the front. We are going to have this shape like this first. Then we see this like this. Okay. Which is option B, D. That is option D. Yeah. 30. So the part B is what? This part B, that should be our roof plan. The roof, yes, which is D. Because this is the main building. This extra edge represents the roof. The thick lines at the block. The roof should extend beyond the thick line. So this is D. The following are factors that influence the demand of a technical drawing material and equipment. aesthetic of material, consumer income. Yes, if you have money, you should buy good quality. Then improve quality, of course. Population size, the more people, the more demand for those price of goods, of course. The answer is aesthetic. Nobody buy drawing instruments to beautify his house. So it's A. Number 32. So the part label C is this essential view, but that part is on section. That part is the web, which is E. Then number 33, the thread represented the figure is what? The thread, we have the arcane, we have the buttress, the answer is the buttress, which is B. Number 34, which of the following devices is used to stop a piece of machinery from rotating in relation to joining parts? In relation to joining parts, 34, that is the key, which is C. Now here we have a section view here. They call the parts. This hole is called, this edge was not called, so we are going to have B as our answer. 35 is B. Now look at 36. Since the symbol represents a wardrobe, if you are used to video drawing, you should know this is a symbol for a wardrobe. Let us look at 37. 37. So which of the following statements is a disadvantage of a blueprint? Disadvantages of a blueprint. Number 1, you are allowed for rapid production of course. It's cost efficient cost. It's easy for rapid, of course. It gives a clear image, then the answer is E. 37 is E. Let's go to 38. The following are essential skills when establishing a blueprint production center, except 38. So from A, we have the creativity in solving customer issues, of course, good communication, good working relationship, putting in more trust, the readiness to work as a team. So I'll go with option D. Then number 39. So which of the following represent the drawing setup? So we have the T-square, we have our title block, we have the drawing board, we have our drawing sheet. The part labeled S is the margin or the borderline. The margin or the borderline, which is B. Number 40, where we have a diagonal scale. We have 1 meter. Then if you count here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 1.80, which is D. Number 41. So the original figure is at 0.3, then 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's 3 ratio. It's an enlargement, 3 ratio 7, which is D. Then 42. So which of the following triangles in the figure below is equal in area to ABC? This is equivalent area. So ABC, which is this, should be equal to ADB, or ABD, which is A. Now look at 43. Here we have tangency. Say TU, the radius of T to U. This external tangent. So we are going to have X plus big arrow. X plus big arrow, which is B. This is a link mechanism for a door. It will form this pattern, or this locus A. Number 45. Identify the correct pattern development of pipe B. Pipe B, the pipe is a pipe which is a cylinder. It's going to give us this curve. B. Then make sure you like, subscribe, and share. This is STEM of Africa. We have a lot of exciting videos. Also, stay on to chemistry and English language. all your forthcoming exams. We'll also treat it. Stay tuned to the channel for more videos like this, and make sure you like and subscribe and agree also. It said the auxiliary projection from the plane, when you have the plan and you have a view like this. Don't forget, the plan gives you this. When you project from the plan, you are going to have the first auxiliary elevation, which is A. First auxiliary elevation, that is A. Then number 47, so the locking device, this is part of mechanical parts, will be as suitable for hole labeled Y. Is what? That is the locking nut, A. Then 48, so which of the following letters represent the pitch of a thread in the figure below? That should be 48. That should be M, which is C. 49, say the section, you can see it's cut in this panel like this. Like this, that is how it is cut. So the section should be offset, which is D. 49 is D. Then number 50, so which of the following tools is used in Harvard graphics? In Harvard graphics, tool used in Harvard graphics, is it crop? Don't think so. Is it crop? No. Is it curvature? No. Is it peak? No. Is it polyline? No. I think it should be 50. Is it spin? No. Polyline, that should be polyline D. So if you have not subscribed, please do so, like, share and comment. See you in our next video. We're going to post the theory soon enough.